Hello there. This is the voice inside your head speaking. Have you suddenly desired to try making music and decided to be a drummer? Have you just purchased your first drum kit, but you have no idea where to start? Well, today, I'm going to show you how. It is super simple, with nothing required except your brain. By the end of this video, you'll be having a blast cranking out beats. I'm sure you're eager to start now, so let's get to it. When you were sitting behind the kit, this is what it should look like. These are the bare essentials to a drum kit, but things can always be added on later. This is the kick drum. It is the largest drum out of everything in the set, and it must always go in front. This is the first thing you should place down, and it will act as a building block for the other pieces of the kit. Make sure the distance between your seat and the kick drum have enough legroom. This is the snare drum, which you will place on the left of the kick drum facing towards you. It is called the snare drum for its punchy sound due to metallic wires at the bottom head, an extremely vital piece of a drum kit. Make sure you have enough room for your seat to move your legs. Your right leg will be placed on the foot pedal for the kick drum and your left foot for the hi-hat, which we will get to in a moment. Comfort is very important for a drummer, so make sure that you have all you need. This is the floor tom, the second biggest drum. This piece of the kit has a warm and bassy tone, making every hit feel like striking thunder. This will be placed on the right of the kick drum facing towards you, directly across from the snare drum. These are the rack toms, which are smaller drums that have higher tones. They are always placed above the kick drum, usually attached to a metal rig or on their own floor stands. They can be easily adjusted to be within your reach. Also, do not be alarmed if your kit only comes with one rack tom. That is normal. By this point, all your skin pieces have been set up, and it should look like this. Now it is time to set up your cymbals. This is your hi-hat, which is a metal rod stand with two cymbals attached. It will be placed on the left of your snare drum. Your left foot will be placed on its pedal. This is the crash cymbal, which will be placed on the left of the kick drum facing outward. This is called a china cymbal, which may not come with your kit. If you have an extra cymbal and stand, place it on the right of your kick drum facing outward. Again, this is the piece you will probably need to buy separately. And this is the ride cymbal, which will be placed on the right of the kit. It is a big cymbal, so make sure you have enough room to hit the rest of your drums. After placing all of your pieces, do a quick check to make sure that you're not missing anything, and then we continue to the next step. Now that all of your pieces are set up, you want to make sure that you can reach them. It is very difficult to play your kit if you cannot reach certain pieces. Take the time to adjust the positions of your drums to your comfort. Do a test by hitting the drums with your sticks. Everyone has different preferences, there is no right or wrong answer. Just make sure that you are able to reach the drums at a comfortable level. And now you're all set. I hope this was educational in the best way possible. Now you'll be able to crank out beats with your new setup. Good luck and have fun with the music.